Hello everyone. Today I am here to demonstrate and give presentation on container orchestration. Now we will discuss about different containers. First of all, we will see what is meant by container. Containers are a form of operating system virtualization. A single container might be used to run anything from a small microservice or software process to a larger application. Inside a container are all the necessary executables, binary codes, libraries, and configuration files. So far, what we have been doing to run a container, we will be installing Docker in an OS, which gives us Docker runtime to run the containers. On top of this, we will be running out the containers by executing different Docker commands. But the gap is seen in the figure. Due to this gap, different question arises in our mind. That is, how do you automate provisioning and deployment? How do you scale up and scale down? How do you load balance when the load increases? Also, how do you monitor your containers? And how do you upgrade your environment? The answer for all these questions is container orchestration. Now, we will see about container orchestration. Container orchestration automates container deployments, scaling, monitoring, networking, and management of containers. With container orchestration, you can automate container deployments. Also, it monitors container workloads. Suppose, say, your container is down. It tries to bring back the containers in an automated manner. Also, container orchestration engine automatically scales up and scales down your containers whenever the load increases or decreases. Also, it helps in upgrading your environment from one version to the another version. Now we will see why do we need container orchestration. These are the code functionalities of the container orchestration engine that we have seen in the last slide. Apart from this, also does these things as its prime responsibilities. So first one is scheduling. Scheduling of the containers means placing the containers in the right node based on the configuration given to it. Second one is resource management. That is managing the best machine resources like CPU, memory, etc. effectively by placing restrictions in the containers so that the containers with the resource limits or restrictions cannot conceive more resources from the base machines than what is specified. Then load balancing. It takes care to load balance the workloads. Also container networking. It also takes care of the container networking too. Now let us see the various container orchestration engine, that is tools available in the market. First one is Kubernetes. Kubernetes is an open source container orchestration engine. You can install Kubernetes in your physical or virtual machines, and also you can deploy your workloads on top of it as containers. Only thing is you should take care of your container deployment. Few such solutions are OpenShift from Red Hat, Docker Swarm from Docker, Apache Mesos, and other public cloud like Amazon EKS, Azure Kubernetes Services, and Google Kubernetes Engine. Thank you.